Recording in progress.
Gaia knows your name. She holds the blueprint of your soul in her memory. Let yourself come home. Let your feet remember. Inhale down through the feet. Hold. Connect to the root. Exhale into the field. Repeat. Gaia is not just a planet. She is a living soul being, and you are her kin. Communion means mutual remembrance. This meditation is not about revering her. It is about reuniting with her. Say silently or aloud, I am not separate from the earth. Her breath is mine. Her wound is mine. Her joy is mine. I return to the rhythm of Gaia. I walk as one who remembers. See yourself lying down upon the earth, not above her, not separate from her, held by her. Feel the weight of your body being received by the ground beneath you. Your back softens, your shoulders soften, your jaw softens, your belly softens. Let the earth hold what your body has been carrying. Beneath you, deep within the soil, you begin to sense a pulse. Slow, ancient, steady. It rises through the layers of stone, root, mineral, water, and memory. It reaches the soles of your feet, then your legs, your hips, your spine, your heart. You realize this pulse is not outside you. It is familiar. It is the rhythm your body was always meant to remember. Now place one hand upon the soil. Feel the living field beneath your palm. You do not need to speak loudly. You do not need to ask for proof. You simply offer your presence. And from beneath the surface, Gaia exhales. A long, warm, patient breath. You feel it move through the grasses, the roots, the stones, the rivers, the fungi, the creatures, the sleeping seeds. And then you hear a single word rise through the field. Welcome. Let that word enter your body. Welcome. Into the bones, into the breath, into the places that forgot they belonged. You are not being tolerated here. You are not a stranger here. You are not an exile on the earth. You are remembered. Now see a soft green gold light moving from Gaia's heart into yours. Not as force, not as command, as communion. Her breath meets your breath. Her pulse meets your pulse. Her memory meets your memory. You begin to feel the places where you had separated from her begin to soften. mind that thought it had to survive alone. The body that forgot it was made of earth. The heart that grieved without knowing it was grieving separation. Let all of that soften now. Let the old loneliness drain gently into the soil. Gaia knows how to compost sorrow. She knows how to turn grief into root. How to turn pain into depth. How to turn forgetting into return. Rest here for a moment. Breathing with her. Held by her. Remembered by her. And as you lie upon the earth, you understand. You are not visiting Gaia. You are part of her living body. You are one of the ways she remembers herself. You are one of the ways she breathes. You are Gaia's memory in motion. Breathe with the earth. Let the inhale be hers. Let the exhale be yours. Unite. You are not a visitor here. You are Gaia's memory in motion. Walk gently now. You are home.